Hello skaters, in today's video we are going to focus on 5 three-turn combinations designed to improve your skating skills, including edges, extension, power and coordination. Our first exercise is a forward outside three-turn, followed by a 3-step outside mohawk and then a backward inside three-turn. We will be doing the sequence on both legs, alternating feet throughout. Let's start from a left forward outside three-turn. Make sure to extend your free leg as you push into the forward outside edge. Keep the same arm as your skating leg in front of you and bend the knee and ankle of your skating leg after the push. As you go into the three-turn, slightly straighten your skating leg, then bend it again after the three-turn. Check your shoulders, extend your arms and free leg to maintain control and balance. After completing the forward outside three-turn, at the top of the half circle and gliding closer to the axis on a left backward inside edge, step into a right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk. From there, cross in front with your right foot, gliding on a backward inside edge. Begin a new circle by continuing to rotate your upper body to the outside of the circle, bring your free leg close to the skating leg, and execute a right backward inside three-turn at the top of the second half circle. Exit on a right forward outside edge with nice extension of your free leg and arms and a deep bend in the knee and ankle of your skating leg. On the axis, step into a left forward outside cross roll, glide around half a circle, come back to the axis, and do another cross roll onto the right foot. Then begin the sequence again with a right forward outside three-turn, completing it at the top of the half circle. Glide on a right backward inside edge, step into a new circle with a left forward outside to right backward outside mohawk, then cross over with the left foot, gliding on a left backward inside edge. Rotate your upper body to the outside of the circle and complete a left backward inside three-turn at the top of the circle. Return to the axis on a left forward outside edge, step into a right forward outside cross roll, glide around a half circle, then step into a left forward outside cross roll and start the sequence again. If you are just learning your three turns and edges and want a deeper understanding of the basic technique behind skating skills, check out my beginner video course Figure Skating Foundations, available on my website styleskating.com. This course includes step-by-step lessons, in-depth tutorials, and clear instructions covering everything from your very first steps on the ice to more advanced skating skills, including single jumps and basic spins. Click the link above or look in the description below to learn more and join the course today. Our next exercise is a forward and side three-turn with a Choctaw and mohawk transition into backward outside three-turn. We will start with a right forward and side three-turn on a half circle. Make sure to extend your free leg and arms as you enter the edge. After the three-turn, glide on a right backward outside edge, then transition at the axis through a Choctaw onto a left forward inside edge to begin a new circle. From here, step into a left forward inside to right backward inside mohawk, then push into a left backward outside edge and perform a left backward outside three-turn at the top of the next circle. As you return to the axis, step onto a right forward inside edge. Glide through a half circle with your upper body slightly twisted into the circle, your skating leg bent and your free leg and arms extended. Return to the axis and begin the sequence again, this time starting with a left forward inside three-turn. Glide on a left backward outside edge after the three-turn, then transition through a Choctaw from left backward outside to right forward inside edge. Continue with a right forward inside to left backward inside mohawk and push into a right backward outside three-turn, completing the turn at the top of the half circle. Step into a left forward inside edge, glide a half circle and begin the sequence again from the right leg. Now we are going to work on sequences with double 3 turns. We will start with a left forward outside to left backward inside double 3 turn on the first half circle. At the axis, transition through a Choctaw from left forward outside to right backward inside edge. Push with the right foot and glide on a left backward outside edge, continuing with a left backward outside and left forward inside double 3 turn. Stay on that left backward outside edge until you reach the axis again. Then go into a Choctaw from left backward outside to right forward inside edge. Immediately step into a left forward outside edge to complete a half circle. Do a cross roll into the right foot and begin the sequence again. This time, do a right forward outside to right backward inside double 3 turn, followed by a Choctaw from right forward outside to left backward inside edge. Push into a right backward outside edge, then complete a right backward outside to right forward inside double 3 turn. Glide on a right backward outside edge, then step into a left forward inside Choctaw. From there, glide on a right forward outside edge, do a cross roll into the left forward outside edge, and begin the sequence again. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more skating tips, tutorials, and exercises. Also consider joining my YouTube membership, where you will have the option to email me directly with your questions and even request a customized video on the topic of your choice. Now we are going to work on double inside 3 turns. Begin with a right forward inside and a right backward outside double 3 turn. Glide on the right forward inside edge and then step on the same circle and in the same direction into a left backward inside mohawk. At the axis, do a 2-foot transition into a right backward inside edge and begin a new circle with a backward crossover from left backward outside to right backward inside edge. Then go into the right backward inside to right forward outside double 3 turn. Immediately step at the axis into a left forward outside to right forward inside crossover in the next circle. Now repeat the sequence starting with the left foot. Do a left forward inside to left backward outside double 3 turn, followed by mohawk in the same direction from left forward inside to right backward inside edge. Make a 2-foot transition on the axis into a left backward inside edge. Continue with a backward crossover from right backward outside to left backward inside edge on the next circle. Then perform the left backward inside to left forward outside double 3 turn, followed by a step into a right forward outside to left forward inside crossover on the next circle. Repeat the entire sequence from the right foot. You can find more exercises and helpful videos on the 3 turns by clicking the link above or checking the description below. Our last exercise today is a bit more challenging and will test your coordination and timing. We'll start with a left forward outside 3 turn. Right after the 3 turn, do a power pull from the left backward inside edge to the left backward outside edge. Then cross in front onto the right backward outside edge, followed by a cross behind onto the left backward outside edge, and immediately execute a left backward outside 3 turn. As you come back to the axis, start the exercise again from the same foot. Push into the left forward outside 3 turn, power pull from inside to outside edge, cross in front onto an outside edge, cross behind onto an outside edge, and finish with the left backward outside 3 turn again. This is a difficult but fun exercise. Begin by practicing slowly to master the technique. Once you feel comfortable, try to perform it as quickly as possible, working your hips and shoulders by twisting your upper body left and right. Repeat the same sequence starting from the right foot. Notice how your shoulders continue turning after the 3 turn, moving outside of the circle each time you switch legs. So for the right side, start with the right forward outside 3 turn, power pull from right inside to right outside edge, cross in front onto the left backward outside edge, cross behind, onto the right backward outside edge and finish with the right backward outside 3 turn. Repeat this multiple times to build strength and coordination. Remember, mastering 3 turns and their combinations takes time, patience, and consistent practice. Focus on your edges, body alignment, and smooth transitions to build power and coordination. Keep practicing slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence and control. Keep skating strong, and I will see you in the next video.